I think it's important to do a couple of things for World AIDS Day. One, I think it's important to pause and remember. There are many people that we have lost to this epidemic. There are many people, though, that are living with the virus and are living fairly healthy lives. And that's because they know their status and they have gotten into care. And once you get into care, as Dr. Fauci said earlier, you're able to get the medications that you need and you're able to live fairly healthy lives for long periods of time. So it's important to know your status, to get into care. There is care available in your communities generally, and it's important that you do know your status, get into care.
Ms. Davis, same question.
Well, most important, people get involved. The health of your community is really incumbent upon your action. Getting people, understanding, finding out what you can do, finding out whether it's to be able to talk with young people about risk behavior, be able to help someone get to care, drive someone, figure out there are small things and wonderful things that each one of us can do to help in communities. If you don't have HIV/AIDS, figure out how you can help someone who does. Figure out how you can spread the word. Get your local TV stations to put things on the air, in the newspapers, in your medias. Put pamphlets in your church bulletins so that you're spreading the word and not the disease. Get involved. It's through citizen action that we change this country. It's how citizen action will make a difference.
When you asked the question, Chris, I couldn't help but think of what you asked just a little while ago about what the meaning and importance of World AIDS Day is. And to me, it really is what I'd like to have my closing comment be, is that it's been 26 years and 5 months since we first recognized the first cases of what turned out to be HIV/AIDS in the summer of 1981, and there have been spectacular advances in research and treatment and prevention and public health over those 26 years. But the motto that I try to drive myself with is that although there's much accomplished, there really is much to do. And we as a group, all of us, are going to be judged as much by what we do in the next 26 years as what we've been accomplished in the past 26 years. So that's what World AIDS Day, in my mind, needs to remind us about.